We've got Chris here. He's got a, what do you got for us?
1968 Ford Bronco.
And it is yours, and whose was
It is
it for
mine.
you?
It was a guy out of Camden, Missouri. Bought it from him.
Did he make it a mud?
He did not. He bought it pretty much as you see it is how he bought it, how I bought it. We've upgraded the gas tank and rebuilt the carburetor.
And it's got a 289, right?
It does have a 289 with
original
302
as far
heads.
as you know.
302 heads.
Ooh, well, that's might be an improvement, depending for sure. What have you been done to the suspension?
It's the way it came.
So,
As
far as you know, it's
far
stock.
as I know, it's not stock. It's all after. That's awesome.
What exhaust was that? Is that a Flowmaster?
It used to have a Flowmaster in it.
What does it have now?
And I don't know. Again, it's the way it came, Craig.
He is full of information. For
I
us.
am. No, it's as you see it is mostly how we bought it.
Right now, people online are looking at this, and they will offer you tons of money for it. You're gonna hold on to it forever, right?
Yeah, I hope it's gonna be my son's car someday.
I like that. Pass it on. Raise them right.
My grandpa, my dad, my cousin, and I are all currently working on it.
So it's like a family
It's
project.
a family project, and I'm hoping my son can get involved in it and then have it as his someday.
Are you gonna take it to shows 2019?
By 19, no.
Are you sure?
I'm positive, Craig.
Please?
There's no way.
Everybody would love this thing.
There's no way.
Let's take a look at the interior.
It's got some work.
I love it how up to like the year they stopped, making these, they had like 60s, like early to mid 60s gauges. You know, the knobs are off of 60s trucks. And I loved it. And that back seat, I don't know much about Broncos. It's got one of those seats that they always throw away. And there it is. It's beautiful. It's in great condition too. So what are your plans for this?
Rebuild the motor. Get it going again.
Yeah, you gonna stick with those 302 heads?
Stick with the 302 heads for now. Eventually, I may want to do a motor, but that's way down the road.
It sounds good, and it seems like it runs good. Get the
That's all right.
cobwebs out of it, and you're good to go.
Fixed transmission leak, oil leak, and change out to rear discs. It's got front discs, but I want rear discs as well.
I'd be happy to help you with that. I
Sounds
want to do it
great.
too, for sure.
Sounds great.
You have other
The
vehicles that you
brakes are
rock
horrible.
crawl with. Is that the plan for this, or is this going to be your mud and truck?
Originally,
Just a show truck.
Originally, it was going to be get it painted, make it look nice,
Yeah.
and kind of leave it as is because I like the look. But we started doing a lot of crawling with the wife's Jeep, so I'm gonna get the Bronco out and take it out and tear it up. I may not paint it for a while.
He didn't say Jeep, if you were wondering.
I did.
Well, hey man, thank you so much. Appreciate you letting me videotape your beautiful, what year? 68 Bronco?
68. Yep.
Thank you so much, man.
Not a problem,
Beautiful,
sir.
beautiful truck. See you guys.
See it.